In the next several minutes, my goal is to share with you all what NysArt is all about. Hey guys, welcome back to NysArt Watercolors to Nature projects. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what NysArt is all about. If you haven't done so already, please take a quick moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I post new cool videos on watercolors and nature projects. Thanks for watching, let's get started. So to summarize who I am and why I created this channel, I love watercolors and being creative with my hands, and I also love nature. So I combine these two things into this channel called NysArt, and so we do terrariums, succulent propagation, wind chimes with natural materials, and then I also do watercolors including mountain ranges, sunsets, leaf design bookmarks, and this all represents all of my artistic passion. So I hope that you can find some joy in watching the videos, and I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. My hope is that you took a lot away about who I am and what NysArt is all about. If this is true and you like the video content ideas, then please subscribe and you'll be notified when I post new videos that you might be interested in. And finally, now that you know who I am and what this channel posts, if you have any ideas that you'd like to see me watercolor or work on with my hands in nature projects, please let me know in the comments, and I will strongly consider it for a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.